Hi, I'm Danny. You're probably wondering, why should I buy a gimbal from DJI, especially the Osmo Mobile 3? Well, I've been owning one now since 3 months, and in this video I will be showing to you the experience and why the DJI Osmo Mobile 3 is the best choice for you. Stay tuned. By the way, this is not a sponsored video by DJI. This is an owner's review. Stay close. Before we start looking what's inside the box, I have a surprise for you. In this video, I will be making the ultimate stability test with this gimbal that no one ever tried before. And also thank you for subscribing to my channel. That really means a lot to me. Now, for $137, I bought the combo pack because it includes this mini tripod and also the hard case. There's also available a cheaper pack for $127 that does not include these two extra accessories, but I do recommend the combo pack. The hard case is made out of a solid material that does not compress while stacked upon. This is very good because it prevents your gimbal from being damaged by external factors. There's this thread that you attach to the gimbal, and also the small bag for the accessories. Then there's the gimbal itself in compact position, and also the USB Type-C charging cable. The design of the Osmo Mobile 3 is one of a kind. The handle is wrapped in a rubber layer that prevents your hand to slip, and also the command buttons are so well placed that you only need one hand to operate it. Inside the handle is the 15-hour lasting battery on a full charge. 15 hours! Yeah, you heard me right. 15 hours. This unique feature of the Mobile 3 to fold is just fantastic. You can now fit it in your man purse along with other stuff. Well, that's pretty much enough about the design. Let's start this thing and see how it works. Before you start, make sure that your phone is perfectly centered in the gripper. If it's not centered, the gimbal will struggle to keep it in position and will drain the battery sooner. With smaller phones like this iPhone 8, it's easier, but with bigger phones like my HUAWEI P40 Pro, with which I am filming, it's very difficult to center. Once the smartphone is centered, you press and hold the M button to start the gimbal. The start position is the portrait mode. Double press the M button to switch to landscape. In order to achieve smooth transitions, the gimbal can turn 90 degrees to the right and to the left. Because the turning speed is very slow, which is also very good, I have accelerated a bit from editing the movement.
And it turns also up and down. On the stick you will find the M button to start and to change modes, the record button and the mini joystick for movement. Also there you can see the battery level LEDs. On the side you have the zoom button. On the right side of the gimbal you have two USB ports. One regular where you can charge your phone while you film and a USB Type-C to charge the gimbal itself. In the front, there's another button that has three functions. Press one time to activate the tracking mode. Press two times to recenter the gimbal. Press three times to switch between front and rear camera. Yet another DJI great idea. Inside the gripper, there's a channel through which you can slide your phone without pressing the buttons. Well, they thought of everything. In order to pair your phone with the gimbal, you have to install DJI's MIMO app. Make sure that your phone has Bluetooth on and internet connection. Now things really start to get exciting. Here's how the three functions of the front button work. Now this is one of my favorite features, the active tracking. Point the square on the screen to an object, press one time the front button and the gimbal will start tracking. It's simply amazing how it sticks to that object. It's tracking it 100%. Later, I will come back to this amazing feature. Gimbal not centered. Press two times, problem solved. Let's say you want to switch to the front camera. Press three times. Ta-da! Yes! Back to the active tracking feature. But this is one of the best tracking systems out there. Let me show you why. Now, there are three ways to activate the tracking mode. One, by pressing one time the front button. Second, by drawing a square on the screen of your phone with your fingers on the object that you want to track, or in this case, person. It's simply fantastic how it's keeping track of the person or the object, whatever it's tracking. And third, by gesture. You just raise your hand, the countdown starts, and it will start filming or take a picture depending on the mode. Now, what's Osmo thinking? I am watching you. You can run, but you cannot hide. The gesture activation of the tracking system, it's available also for the rear camera, so not only for the front. Man, I had so much fun filming this feature in action. When you wanted to stop filming, you just raise your hand and it stops. So simple. Enjoyed this video till now? Please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks! By now, I think you agree with me that the DJI Osmo Mobile 3 has the best tracking system out there. But how's the stability control? It's time to put it to the test. Let's see how it behaves under extreme instability conditions.
The moment you've all expected for. The DJI Osmo Mobile, the ultimate shaker test. Check this out. Same video without the gimbal.
Yep. When I bought the Osmo Mobile 3, I did not have this information available, so I'm very happy that I could share with you this information. This is the MIMO app. You press the camera, and this is the interface. The MIMO app allows you to perform lots of setups, from resolution of your videos to the speed of the gimbal. With the sport mode on, you can keep up with fast moving objects, or if you want to film your kids playing. If your gimbal needs a more complex calibration, then you can just put it on a flat surface and press the calibrate button. The gimbal will start the self-calibration process by turning around on all of its axes. The MIMO app offers you a variety of features, from the simple video, photo, to the much more complexer like Dynazoom, Hyperlapse, Time-lapse, and one of my favorite, Story Mode. Story Mode has a variety of so-called templates that, once selected, the app will add the videos taken by you to that particular template. Here's how. No, I did not forget about a slow motion. Big shout out to Alex and his friends for letting me film them. Thanks guys, you rock! I really hope I covered all the points of interest for you in order to make an opinion. What's the why-buy verdict for DJI Osmo Mobile 3? Yes, it's the best gimbal out there that money can buy. I strongly believe that it can make an amateur filmmaker look like a pro. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe and also leave a comment below with your opinion. Till next time, bye!